Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. You must be signed into the same Google account on your phone and your smart speaker. Once done, open Google Home and Google Pay so both apps can communicate. Make sure your speaker model supports assistant purchases, otherwise payments won't work. Now, add or confirm a payment method in Google Pay so it's available to Assistant. These first steps create the secure link between your wallet and the speaker before enabling voice purchases. Next, you enable purchases through the Google Assistant. In Google Home, tap your profile, go to Assistant Settings, then Purchases to link Google Pay as the default payment method. You'll confirm billing address and review stored cards. Once linked, set up voice match so the speaker recognizes you. This prevents others from using your payment. Also enable purchase authentication, PIN or voice confirmation, so the assistant verifies transactions before charging your card. Finally, complete setup by performing a low-risk test. Ask the assistant for a small purchase or a free trial so you can verify flow and receipts. After the test, check Google Pay transaction history and email confirmations to ensure charges are recorded. If something goes wrong, relink Google Pay in Assistant Settings, update both apps, and restart the speaker and phone. If voice recognition fails, retrain voice match. That troubleshooting step fixes most connection and authorization problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.